In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Klaviyo to Google Ads. Let's dive right into the world of digital marketing by seamlessly integrating two powerful tools, Klaviyo and Google Ads. For those of you striving to enhance your email marketing efforts by leveraging Google Ads' vast reach, this guide is curated just for you. First things first, we start by logging into Klaviyo. Now, if you've used Klaviyo before, you're probably familiar with its sleek user interface. For our newcomers, not to worry, it's as intuitive as it gets. Once you're on the Klaviyo homepage, find and click the Login button. This is your first step towards creating a dynamic marketing synergy. After clicking Login, you'll be prompted to enter your email and password. Make sure these details are correct. It's easy to overlook a typo, leading to unnecessary frustration. If you've forgotten your password, don't fret. Klaviyo's got you covered with a password reset option. Successfully logged in? Great. You're now closer to integrating Klaviyo with Google Ads. The next step requires you to navigate through Klaviyo to find the Integrations tab. This might seem like finding a needle in a haystack, but Klaviyo's design makes navigation straightforward. The Integrations tab is your gateway to connecting with hundreds of services and tools, including Google Ads. Upon landing on the integrations page, you'll see an Add Integration button. A single click here unveils the extensive list of applications and services that Klaviyo can integrate with. Your mission here is to find Google Ads. Easier said than done with the plethora of options, right? Actually, Klaviyo makes this simple with a search function. Just type in Google Ads and voila, you're one step away from installation. Installation, you say? Yes, the next action you must take is to click on Install. Once Google Ads appears in your search results, this step is akin to opening the door between Klaviyo and Google Ads. Exciting, isn't it? Now, with the virtual door ajar, it's time to officially connect Klaviyo to Google. Look for and click on the Connect to Google button. This action takes you out of Klaviyo and into the Google environment. It's time to log into your Google account. This step is crucial. Ensure you choose the Google account associated with your Google Ads. This is about linking the right pieces together, so accuracy here is key. Logging into your Google account will prompt permissions. Google wants to ensure that you're okay with Klaviyo accessing your Google Ads information. This is a standard procedure for integrations of this nature, so review carefully, but know that this step is both normal and necessary for a successful connection. And just like that, you've bridged Klaviyo with Google Ads. The beauty of this integration lies in its simplicity and the power it unlocks for your marketing endeavors. With Klaviyo and Google Ads working in tandem, you can fine-tune your email marketing campaigns based on the insights gleaned from your ads performance. The potential for targeted, effective marketing campaigns is now at your fingertips. Before we conclude, a quick recap and some additional tips. Start by logging into Klaviyo, navigate to Integrations, add Google Ads, and then connect the two platforms by logging into your Google account and granting permissions. A few parting tips. Patience is paramount. Sometimes integrations take a moment to sync fully, so give it a little time. Also, don't hesitate to explore Klaviyo's resources and support if you hit a snag. Their tutorials and customer service are there to ensure this process is as smooth as possible. Integrating Klaviyo with Google Ads opens a new chapter in your marketing story, one that promises greater precision, personalization, and performance in your campaigns. Explore this new connection, experiment with your email and ad strategies, and watch as your marketing goals come to fruition with more efficiency than ever before. Thanks for joining me today. Here's to your marketing success,